Hey, what's going on, guys? Full here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and Rough Country just sent us over some new stuff, so we're going to open up these boxes and check it out. So in a previous video, I had talked about how Rough Country didn't offer upper control arms in a specific kit, so then Rough Country, of course, emailed me, and they're like, hey, wait, Fuller, like, we do have upper control arms. So they sent over a set for us to take a look at, and these are their new forged upper control arms, and they actually look pretty sweet from pictures, but I haven't seen one in person, so we're going to open those up. Before I jump into it, they do have a ton of kits that do come with upper control arms. These are the upgradable forged upper control arms. So you might see some tubular ones that they sell separately, or tubular ones that are included, but like I said, these are forged. So we're going to open this up, and I'm not sure why I grabbed this knife, because it's actually stapled shut, so I probably won't need it. So first things first, as far as packaging goes, this is actually packaged in here really nice. This is like high density foam, so they're not gonna get scratched up in shipping. You get a couple nuts and cotter pins, and then the control arms themselves. It's right in here really nice. So this is what it looks like. There really isn't a ton to look at. I mean, control arms aren't like a very sexy component of a lift, but they are definitely quite heavy and pretty beefy, so that's kind of cool to see. These are much, much stronger than like your factory upper control arm. And because these are forged, it's a one-piece forged design, so there's no welds or anything like that. So that means these things are incredibly strong. And then as far as ball joints go, this is POM is the race basically of the ball that's in there. And POM stands for this big long word that I can't pronounce, but it's basically a type of plastic material. And the thing you need to know about that is that it is a greasable ball joint. So some upper control arms will have dry ball joints. This one is a greasable one. So then right now, these are actually only available for the GM trucks. It's GM 1500s, so your Silverado and your Sierra. Anything from 07 up to 18. And you can get them for any of the stock control arm styles. So whether that's cast aluminum, cast steel, or stamped steel, they have an option for each one of those. So you just want to make sure that you're ordering the right one. So if you don't know what stock control arms you have, you can just go on the internet and basically type in what control arms do I have, Chevy Silverado, and it'll show you like side-by-side pictures. We've also got those on our website underneath the lift kits where it matters, so you can see which ones you have so you can order the right components. They also use an OE style bushing on here, so it's going to give you similar to factory ride quality. At least that's what they're going for. Rough Country recently has been like redesigning their whole lineup to give you like better quality, because they were known forever to be this like cheaper brand that wasn't so good. But honestly, the things that they're doing now are like really exceeding most people's expectations of what Rough Country is. The forged upper control arms are a great example of that. And then like their new Vertex coilovers, and they're just really kind of stepping up the quality. I mean, you can even see like the finish on here. This is a really nice textured finish. Like, it looks relatively thick, so hopefully these things can take a beating. We're gonna get these installed on Jerry's truck. He's got, I believe it's a 15 Silverado 1500. And then also on Banker, so he's our lead install guy here. He's got a 2011, I think it is, so we're gonna put a set on there and a set on Jerry's truck, kind of see how they hold up and if they improve ride quality at all. And then the biggest thing, obviously, the upper control arms are doing is correcting your angles. So these are designed so you have basically everything, you know, straight up and down and not binding or anything like that. So if you don't have a lift kit that comes with upper control arms, it's probably a good idea for you to purchase these so that you can get those correct angles and avoid all the problems in your front end. Like I said, it's the 07 to 18 GM trucks, and then it fits any of the stock control arm styles. One thing that you do want to note though is that you have to have some sort of lift installed basically to run these, and it only works on the 2.5 to 3.5 inch lift kits, or the 7-inch lift kits. So like the 5 or 6 inch lift kits that they have, these aren't the correct angles for that. So they don't make anything for your truck yet if you're running that 5 or 6 inch lift. But if you got 2.5 to 3.5 or the 7 inch, which 7 inch is a new one, we're gonna put it on Banker's 7.5 inch and see if it works. I have a feeling it'll be just fine. So that's it. Those are your Rough Country upper control arms, the forged one-piece upper control arms from Rough Country. If you're looking to get a set, we do have these on our website. So if you got a 07 18, GM 1500. You can pick them up on the site. Just go to lift kit section, and the easiest way to find it is if you go in the keywords and type in forged, you'll see these things pop up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or shoot us a message. Otherwise, make sure you subscribe so you can see when we actually install these, how they do. Peace.